The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla and I want to say greetings to each and everyone. Now, there's a video that is out on social media that shows of a man destroying properties of a McDonald's restaurant, right? Now, this video is out on social media where some people are saying that the person that is destroying these properties is said to be a mentally ill person. And some people are saying that no, he's not mentally ill, that person is just homeless. Alright, and there's other things that has been said as well. Now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. Is it that this person is mentally ill or is it that the person is homeless? Tell me what you think. Alright, now I'm going to show you this video, but before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, observe.
So I just put them in. He's taking the money out of the thing. Did you guys take the money out of the thing? Oh look. Yes, I do. Now how are we gonna work?
No idea.
Fuck.
Alright viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The video showing of a person destroying properties of a McDonald's restaurant. I am not sure as to where this had happened, viewers and subscribers. However, this video is out on social media where some people are saying that this person is mentally ill and some people are saying no, the person is just homeless. And I'm just going to say this, in my opinion, I think the reason why people are saying this is because of the clothing that this person have on, you know, the clothes that he's wearing and the things that he carries with him, you know, if you look around, you see me? And I look at him and I see a thing around his neck, like it looks like a chain. I don't even know if it is plastic or metal, you know, but it looks like a chain. And I'm guessing that might be a reason why some people are saying that this person is mentally ill. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, is it that this person is mentally ill or not? Is it that he's homeless or not? Let me know what you think. Alright, as this video is out on social media and there's a lot of things being said about this person's mental health, or is it that he's homeless or not? You know, other things has been said as well, you know. Alright, and you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself.